All right, let's push it in there. And yeah, because of these large wheels, it has no issue of rolling even on the carpet. Wow, guys, that is awesome. Like, that chair just looks really, really good over here. And the handles here are all the way down, or the armrests. And I still have room underneath the table here, so I can go up. And they're still underneath the table. The way you use these armrests, you can see that one's up, is there's a little lever right here. And you just push on it, and then you go up or down, wherever you want. And it does click in. There's increments. So this is all the way up right here. And when this thing goes up, it reveals a pretty nice looking chrome finish here. So yeah, we have quite a lot of functionality. And not only that, guys, the armrests do a lot more than that. So they're able to also move forward and backwards. So that's forward, and that's backwards. And it doesn't end there. They actually turn also side to side like that. So I know that, you know, if you're sitting up, sometimes having them come in a little bit is better. But in any case, it definitely has the gamer in mind because of all these little functions that it does. And also you have a tilt where if you pull this lever, you can tilt this whole back and forth. And this is our shock for going up and down. And on the other side, we have the tilt locker. So if you don't want it to tilt, you just flip it down. And if you want it to rock back and forth, tilt it up. So yeah, guys, a very nice chair, very premium. And this material here is very nice. I actually prefer material over, you know, leather, because if you're going to be sitting on a chair for hours and hours, kind of like I do. So obviously your pillow here on the top can come off because it's just elastic around the top part here. So it just simply comes off. And when you do, this logo here in the back is able to be seen. And also, there's another logo in front of it. And the chair without the pillow, actually it looks more like a racing seat chair or driver's seat, like in a vehicle in a car. And what's interesting is you have this back support pillow here, and this is removable also. There's a little latch right here that you just undo, feeds right out of the back. But in order to put this thing back in, you would have to, you know, stick your hand under there. It does kind of stretch, and you can latch it back up. So you do have options of using these pillows, or you can take them off and just have, you know, a normal looking chair. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but this bottom part here is quite wide. But I'm not a huge guy, so I can imagine if you're a little bigger, this probably would be okay. You know, if you're a gamer and you're looking for a premium chair, this is definitely a great one to consider. Or if you're an editor like I am, or spend a lot of time in front of a computer, maybe a coder, or whatever you do, this thing here can accommodate pretty much every situation.